In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your base 10 blocks to help yourself when you are adding a two-digit number and a single-digit number, specifically looking at when you might need to regroup. So, for example, here I have the equation 27 plus 9. I'm going to use my base 10 blocks and help myself when I'm adding. So first I'm going to start with my two-digit number. So I see that there's two tens and seven ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll notice that, again, I'm using my ones and I'm arranging them like they would be in a tens frame, so it's really easy for me to see how many that I have since we've worked on subitizing, and I can automatically recognize that I have the right amount there, and I can easily see when I have a group of 10, which is going to come in handy here in a minute. So I built 27 with my base 10 blocks, 2 tens and 7 ones. Now I need to add 9 more. So I notice this is a single digit number, so those are ones. So I need to have 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now when I see how many I have all together, I could do this a couple of ways. I see I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. I could count all of them like that, but that took me a while. What I do notice here is that if I look at my ones, and especially because I set them up the way that they are and they're in the shape of a tens frame, I can see that right here I have a group of 10 ones that I can trade. So I have 10 ones. I'm going to trade them together. Oops, and I'm going to turn it so that it makes another group of 10. So I still have the same amount. Before I had 2 tens and 16 ones. Well, now I took away some of those ones and I turned them into a 10. So I guess I didn't take them away. I turned them in or traded them in to make a 10. So now I have 3 tens and 6 ones. Either way, it's 36 altogether. It just makes it a lot easier when I can trade or regroup to make a 10. Let's look at another example and see if you can follow along. So if you don't have them already, I want you to pause the video and get your base 10 materials out. You can also use a whiteboard and draw your pictures of your tens and ones as well, or use the manipulatives that we have in our classroom. So we have 45 plus 7. So I'm going to look first and build my number here. I have 45. Looking, I have 4 in the tens place, so I would need 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 20, 30, 40 for the 4 tens here. And I need 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 45 represented here with my base 10 blocks. Now I'm adding 7 more ones. So I will pull out 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now before moving on, I'm going to look at my ones and I'm going to ask myself, can I make a group of 10 with the amount of ones that I have here? Since I set it up to look like a tens frame, I can easily see that right here I have a group of tens. So I can trade those ones in and make them into a 10. So I still have the same amount. I just traded all of those ones to make it easier to count to make a group of 10. So now altogether I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. For the next example, I'm going to put it up there and I want you to pause and solve on your own using base 10 blocks. You can either use your app, draw a picture, or use actual base 10 blocks from our math manipulatives. Once you've solved it, you can play the video and see how I solved it. Now that you've solved it on your own, let's watch and see how I did it. So I see 79. So I need to build that first. 79 plus 3, we'll build this first. I see 7 tens, so I need 7 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have a 9 in the ones place, so I'll need 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm adding on 3 more ones, so I'll need 3 more ones blocks. 1, 2, 3. Before counting all of them to see how many I have together, I'm going to look just at the ones and see if I can group the ones together to make a 10. Again, since I organized them this way, I can easily see that I have a group of 10 right here that I can highlight and trade for a group of 10. So now I can see all together I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. So 79 plus 3 is 82. This is a really great strategy to